Okay, so we have correct these sentences. Take a bath, brush your teeth, and then go to bed. Now, when you look at this sentence, you're going to notice there is a list, guys. And so that means we have specific punctuation we need in there with a list. So please make sure um, you are thinking about, okay, if I have a list, what punctuation do I need and how much of it? And then everything else is pretty basic. Okay, number two. Look at number two. Let's say it says, Carrie, don't go nowhere but home after school. I want to point something out. We have a direct address there. Now, the direct address is when you state somebody's name to get their attention. So I said, Carrie, don't go nowhere but home after school. Obviously, that nowhere doesn't sound right. I'm hoping it doesn't sound right to you. Um, but when we have a direct address, we're trying to get somebody's attention. And when we do that, we need punctuation after that name. So, Carrie, see that pause there? We pause. And if we pause, you need punctuation after that. So make sure you fix that. And also the double negative. We have don't and nowhere. And that's got to be fixed. Okay, look at number three. It says write the present tense of the verb thought. Present tense means it's happening now. Okay? So if it was past tense or future tense, we would do something different. But if it's happening right now, how would you use that? Think about using it in a sentence. The word thought. Or that. If I say, I can't say too much, or I'll give you the answer. But use it in a sentence like it's happening now, and then you'll get that word. Okay, number four. Notice the number four. We got some fancy words here: declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Now let me go through each of these. Um, Almost all sentences are declarative. Okay, most of them are, and declarative sentences have a period at the end. It's just a statement, is all it is. Interrogative sentences, guys, is a question. It's a fancy word for a question. Imperative is a command. Okay? So it's saying it's somebody's giving you a command, like our parents like to tell us, uh, take out the trash. Okay, so if they give us that command, take out the trash, that would be an imperative sentence. Okay? Because it's command. I'll just put a C there for command. Exclamatory is just an exclamation. That's pretty obvious. It's an exclamation. But let's go back to the imperative real quick. So if somebody is telling you to do something, clean your room, take out the trash, that is imperative. That is a command. Okay, now look at number five. What is the following person's job? In a short time, Clarissa returned to the table with Mr. and Mrs. O'Brien's dinner order. Uh, anyway, you just need to make an inference there and answer that question. Okay, good luck.